Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session of our geography class. Today we are going to discuss about the iron and steel industries. The iron and steel industry is the basic or key industry of modern age and forms the backbone of the industrial economy. Most of the important industries like automobile, locomotives, railway, shipbuilding, machines and tools, and manufacture of defense equipment, etc., depends on iron and steel industry. Requirement of iron and steel industry. Following are the main requirement for the iron and steel industries, that are iron ore, limestone, dolomite, manganese, ferroalloys, fuel, large supply of fresh water for cooling process, huge capital, big market, sufficient labor, and efficient transport. So the steel industry is depend on raw materials such as iron ore, limestone, manganese and coal. Since these are heavy and bulky, this industry is usually located in the vicinity of the areas where these raw materials are available. The main steel producing countries in the world are China, India, Russia, Ukraine, Germany, the USA, and Japan. Many countries in the world have developed iron and steel industry. Some of them have their own raw materials and others imported. In USA, the main center of automobile industry is located in Detroit. The main steel iron and steel industry also located in Detroit in USA. This is situated in Michigan state. The city is located on the Detroit River, which connects Lake Erie in south and Lake Claire in north. The leading position of USA in the iron and steel industry in the world is due to several favorable factors. These include high-grade iron ore, coking coal, water power, efficient transport facilities, huge capital resource, a stable government and extensive domestic and international market. The leading producers in USA are the Great Lake region, Alabama, Pittsburgh, Youngstown, Lake Erie region, and Cleveland. In Europe, United Kingdom, Sweden, France, Germany, Italy, Poland, Belgium, and Austria are the leading producers. In Russia, Ural region, Ukraine, and Magnita are chief regions. In Asia, China and Japan are the leading producers. In South America, Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, and Chile are the leading producers. In Africa, Algeria, Egypt, and South Africa are the leading producers of iron. In India, there are 10 integrated iron and steel plants. Tata Steel is one of the oldest steel plants in the private sector. Today, India is the ninth largest steel producing country in the world. The major steel plants in India are as follows: Tata Iron and Steel Company, Bhilai Steel Plant, Rourkela Steel Plant, Visakhapatnam, Durgapur, Salem, Bhadravati, Bokaro, Vijayanagar Steel Plant, and Indian Iron and Steel Company. So, as a conclusion, we can tell steel is the necessary raw material for making machines as well as other infrastructural material for all industries. The iron and steel industry is the basic industry on which other industries are dependent. This is very important topic. You have to read this topic from your textbook and mark the important sentences from it. That's all for today. Thank you all.